Alrighty traders, George here, and time for a look at the weekend review. We've got some great trades to go through, so let's check it out. For starters, at the beginning of the week I had calls for gold and the NASDAQ. The gold trade setup never happened. The NASDAQ triggered 3 times and was stopped 3 times. Yesterday I showed you some new setups, and here's what they were. The NASDAQ here for a long, we needed to trade higher to be long with this target array. For gold, this setup here, these are screenshots from the actual video, which gold was a short at 1309.40. We needed to break down several dollars just to hit that level to go short. And then for oil, another fantastic setup. This one after a nasty sell-off, looking to get long. We needed to trade higher to make that happen. And another one with a huge target 1. So gold and oil there showing the balance beam, tight risk, big target phenomenon that makes all this stuff go. And even the NASDAQ setup there, pretty good for a target 1. Here's what happened. So for the NASDAQ, we got this. This is the follow through to what I showed you yesterday, easily hitting 18 points to target 1 and 58 points to target 2. Since then it completely rolled over. These are the stop outs from earlier in the week. The way the NASDAQ shakes out for a single contract is you are actually 0 for 3 and then 1 for 1 on 2 different setups, minus 26 points, so you're minus 535 bucks. So gold also taking advantage of the same concept, the small stop, big target. And here's what happened with gold. 1309's triggered. We made a beeline over $30 in favor. So easily picking up 1,420 bucks for you single contract traders out there, and multi-contract traders breaking back over this balance beam here. You were out with a $25 gain on your remaining positions there, and you can see what happened after it traded back over that balance beam, basically a pass-through signal there for you balance beam traders. And then for oil, we got this, another nice tight risk, big target setup. I had actually put out an alert after this to get your stops up to just a $100 risk from 300, and then this thing just made a beeline to target 1, target 2, and I just took this screenshot a couple minutes ago. We were 2 ticks from hitting target 3. So single contract, you picked up 700 bucks, and for you multi-contract traders out there, you've got a little extra money for lunch over the weekend. Let's see what it looks like on our spreadsheet here. So we've been working on the same thing week in, week out. Balance beam setups for a select group of futures markets here. All these signals go out in advance, so subscribers get to see this stuff before it ever happens. That's the whole point of being a subscriber. This is how these trades shook out for the week here. 50% win rate, 3 losers in the NASDAQ, $1,580 there on just 6 trades. Equity up to $46,879 for the year. Done in advance for the Balance Beam subscriber series, and you can be a part of that by using the link at the bottom of the video and get these trade calls in advance as well as my alerts. The other thing that you can do to further your trading career is to use these charts, the Balance Beam model that I created. You can use them the way I do. I'll teach you how to do exactly what I do, and you can use them to apply to whatever markets you want to trade, stocks or futures, on your own schedule. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, in the United States, the Balance Beam is second to none, and you're seeing that on a week-to-week basis with all the videos that I've been doing here. So we had some really great training this week with some fantastic feedback, so I know you guys are really digging in and getting it, and it's just great to see everybody growing at the pace that they are. So congrats to everybody sticking to this process. It's more than rewarding to get the feedback from you all, so thanks for that. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you all back in training next Tuesday.